Hello friends, how are you? Myself Rahul. I welcome you all in YouTube channel Edufy. Today we will prove Thales theorem. It is an important topic for class 10th student. Okay. Here it is statement. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct point, then it will divide other two sides in the same ratio. Here it is a triangle ABC. It is triangle ABC in which D parallel to BC means line D is parallel to BC and D intersect AB at point D and D intersect AC at point E, then we have to prove this that AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. We have to prove this in this question. What is given here? Firstly, we will write given. What is given? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC in which line D parallel BC. D parallel BC. What we have to prove? What we have to prove? To prove. What is required? That ratio of AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. We have to prove this in this question. Okay. For it, firstly we will join DC and EB and we will draw perpendicular EN at AD and DM at AE. For it, we will write construction. Join BE comma CD and draw EN perpendicular AB and DM perpendicular AC. DM perpendicular AC. Firstly, we will do all these steps. Okay. Firstly, write this. Now, next step we will write here proof. 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 Firstly, we will find the area of triangle ADE. Area triangle ADE. What will be the area of triangle ADE? For this triangle, AD will be base. And EN is perpendicular. So we know that area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base. What is base? AD. Base is AD and height is EN. Now another way we can take area triangle AED. Area triangle AED. For both triangle are same triangle, only cyclic order. Here cyclic order of triangle is going to change, but area of triangle will be same. Okay. So area triangle AED equal to 1/2. What is base? Base will be AE. AE multiply what will be perpendicular? DM. It is equation first and it is equation second. And we know that in class 9 there is a theorem. Triangle between same parallel. Triangle on same base between same parallel are equal in area. We can see here triangle BED and triangle CDE. Both triangle lie on base D. Both triangle lie on base D and both triangle lie between same parallel D and BC. So they are equal in area. So we can write here. Firstly, write this. Now we will find area triangle BDE. This triangle and triangle CED. Area triangle BDE. What will be area of this triangle? If EN is perpendicular for AD, then EN will be also perpendicular for AB and EN will be also perpendicular for BD. So here 1/2 BD into perpendicular. What will be perpendicular here? EN. EN will be also perpendicular for DB. If it is perpendicular for AD, then it will be also perpendicular for DB because it is perpendicular to whole AB. It is perpendicular to whole AB. Then this will be also perpendicular to DB. Okay. Now area triangle CED equal to 1/2. What will be base for this triangle? Base for this triangle will be CE into what will be perpendicular for this triangle? Perpendicular for this triangle will be DM because DM lie on AC. If it is perpendicular on AC, then it will be also perpendicular for CE. Then we can mention here DM. Now, as I have told you that these triangle BED and triangle CED lie on same base and they lie between same parallel BC and DE, so they will be equal in area. So area triangle BDE equal to area triangle CED. We can write here because they lie on same base and between same parallel DE parallel BC. Same base. What is same base? Same base will be DE. So they will be equal in area. That is equation 3. Divided equation 3 by equation first and second. First and second both are same triangle. So dividing equation third by equation first. Dividing third by equation first. We can write here area triangle BDE upon area triangle ADE and area triangle CED upon area triangle ADE. Firstly, write this. Okay. Friends, we can also write here area triangle BDE upon area triangle ADE equal to area triangle CED D upon area triangle. We can also write in this cyclic form. Area triangle AED. Now, friends, we can also write that area triangle BDE we can also write in this form. Numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Same process we will do in LHS and RHS. So we can write area triangle ADE upon area triangle BDE equal to, we can mention here, area triangle AED upon area triangle CED. Okay, what is the area of triangle ADE? Equal to 1 half AD into EN upon, what is the value of area triangle BDE? Area triangle BDE equal to 1 half base BD into EN. What is the area of triangle AED? Area of triangle AD equal to 1 half base AE into perpendicular DM. AE into DM upon area triangle CED. 1 half base, what is its value? Base CE multiply DM. Now EN is cancelled out by EN. 1 half is cancelled out by 1 half. 1 half is here also cancelled by 1 half. DM is cancelled out by DM. Now AD upon BD equal to AE upon CE. We have AD upon DB and AE upon CN. We can also write this AD upon, we can write BD or DB, both are same. So we can write DB equal to AE upon, we can write C is in this form, we can write EC, both are same. So this was required and this has been proved, hence proved. Okay, mention this.